An important part of your emergency preparedness is to get a kit. In an emergency, you will need some basic supplies. You may need to get by without power or tap water, and be prepared to be self-sufficient for at least 72 hours. You may have some of these items already, such as food, water, and a battery-operated or crank flashlight. The key is to make sure they are organized and easy to find. For your home, you can assemble a kit using a checklist from getprepared.gc.ca, or you can buy an emergency kit online or in various stores across Canada. Your kit should include 2 liters of water per person per day, food that won't spoil, a manual can opener for cans, wind-up or battery-powered flashlight and extra batteries, wind-up or battery-powered radio and extra batteries, a first aid kit, extra keys for your car and house, cash, traveler's checks, and change, important family documents such as identification, insurance, and bank records, and a copy of your emergency plan. You can also develop a kit for your vehicle. You can include food that won't spoil, such as energy bars, water in plastic bottles so they won't break if frozen, and remember to change the water every 6 months, a blanket, extra clothing and shoes, first aid kit with seatbelt cutter, a small shovel, scraper, and snow brush, a candle in a deep can or dish, and matches and a wind-up flashlight, sand, salt, or cat litter, non-clumping in case you get stuck, antifreeze, windshield washer fluid, a tow rope, jumper cables, a fire extinguisher, and warning light or road flares. And also remember to develop a kit for your pets. Include important documents, photocopied veterinary records, a description of your pet, including recent photographs in case they become lost, microchip information if your pet is microchipped, food, water, and any medications they may require, and other supplies, such as a leash, collar with ID, and harness, favorite toys, a pet carrier with bedding or a blanket, and hygiene supplies, including litter boxes for cats. Thank you from CBRM Emergency Management.